How to increase dedicated video memory VRAM on Windows 10 and 11. The first thing you want to do is go to your Windows search and then type in registry editor. Click on OK, and then you'll just have to choose on yes. And then from here, all I had to do was just minimize all of these folders. Now you go to your local machine and then go to software, and then you'll have to choose on a folder which currently the ones that you have, your graphics card. Now in my case, I'm currently using Intel, so just double press on your current graphics card folder, right click, and then click on new, and then add the new folder, which is a new key. Now you'll just have to name it as GMM. Now click on OK, and then once you have created a folder, right click on the empty space right here, click on new, and then go to dword 32-bit value. Now you'll have to um, rename this as dedicated. Okay, hang on. Dedicated segment size. Click on OK. And then once you have renamed it, double click on that and then change the value data. Now your value data will be depending on your current PC or laptop structure. Now you'll have this code right here. If you're using 4 gig, then you'll have to choose in a 512 MB code. Now, if you're using 8 gig, then that's 2048 MB and so on and so forth. Right now, I'm currently using 16 gigabytes, so the code that I'm gonna having here is 4096. Click on OK. And then once everything is set, you'll just have to or you need to update your graphics card driver. To do so, go to your Windows search and type in device manager. Click on OK. Now from here, you go to display adapters and click on your current graphics card. Go to driver and just press on update driver and just follow through process. After once everything is done and set up, just restart your PC and you should be good to go. So that's how you increase dedicated video memory VRAM Windows 10 on 11.